Are dental implants the best tooth replacement choice for you? If you have one or more missing teeth, you have options to fill the gaps. Bridges and dentures may do the trick, but they're not right for everyone. Dental implants are the best choice because they don't affect the other teeth as bridges do. Implants look and feel more natural. With implants, you can't tell the difference between a natural and implanted tooth. Implants are stronger and sturdier. This process provides a solid base for your new artificial tooth, crown. Implants can last a lifetime. Dental implants can be permanent, with excellent oral hygiene. Implants also protect your jawbone, which dentures and bridges can't do. Learn more today. Visit our website